Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your Tesla Model Y HEPA filter. Keeping your HEPA filter fresh is crucial for maintaining excellent cabin air quality, especially since it captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This do-it-yourself task is quite simple and can save you a trip to the service center. We recommend replacing these filters approximately every 3 years to ensure your vehicle's air filtration system works its best. To begin, open your Model Y's hood. Next, carefully remove the underhood apron by gently pulling up on its clips. You will then need to remove one 10mm bolt that secures the washer fluid reservoir neck, and then remove the neck itself. Now, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts holding the HEPA filter assembly in place. With those bolts out, carefully tilt the assembly past the brake fluid reservoir and lift it completely out of the vehicle. Now that the assembly is out, it's time to access the filters. Use a T20 Torx screwdriver to remove the 10 screws holding the HEPA filter cover. Once the screws are out, carefully remove the cover. You will see 2 carbon filters and 2 HEPA filters. Remove all the old ones. Install your new HEPA filters, making sure their seals are properly seated. Then, insert the new carbon filters with their arrows pointing towards you. Finally, reinstall the cover and tighten the 10 T20 Torx screws to 1.6 Newton-meters. With the new filters in place, carefully maneuver the HEPA filter assembly back into its original position under the hood. Reinstall and tighten the two 10mm bolts to a torque of 10 Newton-meters. Next, reattach the washer fluid reservoir neck, ensuring its O-ring is properly seated. Finally, replace the underhood apron by aligning its clips and pressing down firmly until they click into place. Close the hood, and for newer software versions, remember to reset the filter health score on your touchscreen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.